Hello everyone, I am Mrudula and today's topic of discussion is the urinary system. So the urinary system is also known as the excretory system or renal system or the urinary tract. The urinary system consists of the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and the urethra. The main purpose of the urinary system is to remove or the eliminate waste and the foreign materials from the human body. Now we see the functions of the urinary system. The main function of the urinary system and its components are to regulate the blood pressure, then regulate the blood volume and its composition, mainly sodium, potassium and the calcium, then regulate the pH homeostasis of blood, contribute to the production of RBC by the kidneys, then helps in the synthesis of calcitriol, which is the active form of vitamin D, and the last one is the store waste products such as urea and the uric acid before it and other products are removed from the body. Let's see about the components of the urinary system. The first and most important component of the urinary system is the kidney. So the kidneys are the bean-shaped organs about the size of fist. They are located just below the rib cage and one on each side of your spine, and they are protected by the muscular tissue. Healthy kidneys filter about a half cup of blood every minute, removing waste and extra water to make urine. The urine flows from the kidney to the ureter to the bladder through the two thin tubes of muscle called ureters, one on each side of bladder. The second component of the urinary system is the ureter. So the ureter's role in the process is to carry the urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Contraction in the ureter force urine away from the kidneys and into the bladder. The ureter works constantly, emptying urine into the bladder about every 10 to 15 seconds. The third component of the urinary system is the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is the hollow organ that present in the human and other mammals which stores the urine from the kidneys. In placental mammals, the urine enters into the urinary bladder through ureters and it excrete or exit out from the bladder via urethra during the urination. The typical adult human bladder can hold about 300 to 500 ml of the urine before the urge occurs, and but can it hold considerably more. The last and the fourth component of the urinary system is the urethra. So urethra allows urine to pass outside the body. The brain signals the bladder muscle to tighten, which squeezes urine out of the bladder. At the same time, the brain signals the sphincter muscle to relax to get urine exit the bladder through the urethra. Now we see about the urine formation. So average urine production in adult human is about 1 to 2 liters per day, depending upon the state of hydration, activity level, then environmental factors, weight and the individual's health. Producing too much urine or the low urine requires medical attention. There are three types of conditions. First one is the polyuria, second is the oliguria and third is the anuria. So polyuria is the condition of excessive urine formation which is more than 2.5 liters per day. Oliguria is a condition where is the low urine production takes place and it is below 400 ml per day, and the anuria is the condition where is the urine production is less than 100 ml per day. Now see about the urination. Urination is also referred as the micturition. It is the ejection of urine from the urinary bladder to the outside of the body. Urine is ejected through the urethra from the penis and vulva in mammals. In healthy humans, the process of urination is in voluntary control. But in infants, some elderly patients, and those with neurological disorders, the process of urination is under involuntary reflux. Physiologically, micturition involves the composition of autonomic, somatic and the central nervous system. Now lastly, we see about the urologic disease. So urologic disease can involve congenital as well as acquired dysfunction of the urinary system. Diseases of the kidney tissues are mainly treated by the nephrologist, while the diseases of the urinary tract are treated by the urologist, and gynecologist may also treat the female urinary incontinence. The diseases of the kidney or urinary system involves the diabetes, hypertension, then urinary incontinence, which results from the weakening of pelvic floor muscles due to the reasons such as childbirth, pregnancy, then aging, and being overweight. The condition of urinary incontinence in children is known as the enuresis. There are also some cancers which target the urinary system, such as kidney cancer, bladder cancer, then urethral cancer, and due to the role and location of the organs, treatment of such cancers is often complicated.